If you are interested in remote work from home opportunity, here in this video I'm going to discuss about a great opportunity where you're not required to have any kind of specific degree or any experience. So no matter if you're a fresher or experienced, anyone can apply for this job. This is basically a customer service or client service kind of role in healthcare field. Here you will be working from home remotely. This is not a call center kind of role, and here you will be working independently from home. So if you are interested in a remote work from home job, leave a comment below and I will be providing you the link to this job and you can apply. You need to share your resume on the link. Thank you and subscribe to the channel for more remote work from home or freelance opportunities and details or updates.